Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is Minhajul Arabiya part 1. And inshallah today we are going to learn 19th lesson. Let's start. Man ala hazal kursi. Who is on this chair? Alayhi walad. Upon it there is a boy. Ayyu shay'in amamal walad. Which thing is in front of the boy? Amamahu tawila. In front of him there is a table. Ayyu shay'in fawqa tawila. Which thing is upon the table? Fawqa tawilati kitabun wa qalamur rasas. Upon the table there is a book and pencil. Aina qalamur rasas. Where is the pencil? Huwa fawqal kitab wal kitabu tahtahu. It is upon the book and the book is under it. Man ma zalikal walad. Who is with that boy? Ma'ahu sadiquhu wa huwa amamahu. With him is his friend and he is in front of him. Aina baytuhu. Where is his house? Baytuhu wara al madrasa. His house is behind the school. Halil imtihanuhu qabla al-utla. Is his exam before the holiday? La imtihanuhu ba'da al-utla. No, his exam is after the holiday. ذلك الولد مشغول بالقراءة. That boy is busy in reading. وصديقه مشغول بالكتابة. And his friend is busy in writing. Now let's translate Urdu sentences in English language. तुम्हारे साथ कौन है? Who is with you? मेरे साथ मेरा रब है. With me there is my Lord. मैं अल्लाह के सामने खड़ा हूँ. I am standing in front of Allah. उसके साथ उसका ईमान है. With him there is his ईमान. और मेरे साथ मेरा ईमान. And with me there is my ईमान। इल्म अमल के लिए ज़रूरी है। नॉलेज इज़ कंपल्सरी फॉर एक्ट। तुम्हारा इम्तिहान कब है? When is your exam? मेरा इम्तिहान तातील से पहले है। My exam is before the holiday। तुम्हारा सफ़र ईद के पहले है या ईद के बाद? Your traveling is before the festival or after the festival। ज़मीन के नीचे क्या है? What is under the earth? उसके बाद मैं हूँ और मेरे बाद तू। After him I am and after me you are। क्या हर इंसान के लिए मौत है? Is there is death for every human being? कौन सा दीन हक है? Which religion is true? Thank you very much.